When I say run, don't walk to get this hair, trust me. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this super cute vacation hair using some crochet hair from Amazon for less than $25. Keep on watching. So this is crochet hair from Amazon. This hair has been up for a week and a half, 2 weeks. This was my vacation hair. I did a weekend trip to Houston.
Okay, y'all. Hey. Ooh, 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 ooh. It's video. It's video.
When I say this hair was absolutely perfect, low maintenance, this is synthetic hair, so there were a few tangles, but it was very easy to get those tangles out with a little water and some mousse. So baby, can we get into these curls? This hair is absolutely beautiful. This is the 18-inch Brazilian curly crochet hair. So it comes with a twist at the top. It's pre-looped, comes with a twist at the top, which is genius. And then it's just loose hair throughout. This hair was so perfect for vacation, perfect summer hairstyle, so easy to install, low maintenance, less than $25. What more can we ask for? I will leave the link to this hair in the description box, so make sure that you check it out. I'll also put the name of the store on the screen. But yeah, let's get into this hair. When I tell you, I love this hair so much after the install that I immediately went back on Amazon and ordered another pack. Amen. This is the label, 18-inch Brazilian curly pre-looped. This is what I have left from the package. It comes with 8 packs, which is more than enough for a full head. This is what I had left over. So again, it comes with like a twist about 2 to 3 inches down. And then it has a little loop at the top that you can crochet in. Absolutely love it. The curls are so beautiful. Again, this is synthetic hair, so there may be a few tangles, but again, nothing a little water and mousse can't get out. But let me show you this quick and easy install. Keep on watching. style in the comment section below. I'm absolutely obsessed. Now this hair does come in different lengths. I'll leave those links up above. And they also come in different colors. So I'll show you those here. But if you are feeling this hair and you want to try it out, click the link in the description box. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.